viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about BSC Binance wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can recover our wallet with 12 phrases. Sometimes you forget your password, or sometimes your window was corrupted, so that you want to recover, restore, import your wallet, and you have to full information about your phrases, then you can easily recover or restore. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving to complete information, so please watch this video till end. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my other YouTube channel. You can get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join best cryptocurrency wallets. So today we are going to recover our wallet of Binance Smart Chain or BSC wallet. You can see here there is not shown any extension. Let's suppose you have installed new window in your laptop and you want to recover your old wallet with your 12 phrases. First you need to install extension, and after that you can use your phrases. So I'm going to write here coin market cap, because we need to open Binance chain or Binance website. You can see here the Bitcoin price is almost $20,400, and if I'm going to click on exchange spot, the Binance is top number 1. Click on it, and this is the official website of Binance. Simple, click on it. Now the Binance.com is open in front of me, and if you need to download the extension of official extension of Binance, so you just simple click on box area, and then you can see here the second row, third option, DEX, fast and secure decentralized digital assets exchange. So simple click on it, and then the main page is open in front of you, the BNB chain.org. This is official website where you can download the wallet or extension. There is shown the ecosystem, and there is shown the wallet. Access your fund and app with wallet. Simple click on it. Now the secure and trusted multi-chain wallet, your one-stop gateway to store, exchange and earn crypto. Install Binance wallet for your browser. So it's depend on you which browser you are going to use. This time I'm going to use Opera, so I think I will click on Google Chrome, and then the extension will be installed in my browser. So going to click on Google Chrome extension. Now you can see here the shown here Binance wallet, and shown option is available here, add to Opera. Now this extension is not for from the Opera ads zone, but I'm going to click on add extension. Now checking this wallet is compatible with us or not, means my browser. Now the extension is successfully installed. I simple click on it, and you can see here, welcome to Binance wallet, secure and trusted multi-chain crypto. There's two options available. First option is use existing wallet. Second option is create a wallet. You know, when we was create account, so we used this option, second option, create a wallet. But today we are going to recover our wallet, so then we will use this option, means first option, use existing wallet, because we have 12 phrases, so that we are going to use this option. Going to click on it. Now as you can see, login to Binance wallet, select your preferred method. So I have in my notepad file my 12 phrases, my 12 phrases. Yes, you can see here my 12 phrases shown here. I have my 12 phrases, so that I am going to recover my wallet with my phrases. Before going to recover my wallet, keep in your mind, in this portion I am giving to caution. Let's suppose you have saved your phrases wrongly, then you cannot recover your wallet. I am going to remove one word from my recovery phrases. Simple copy, Control A, and going to click on import seed. Import seed. Now going to paste here my seed here. So you can see here the invalid seed phrases, because my last phrases is wrong. So viewers, keep in your mind, when you are going to save your phrases, you must cross check you have write your phrases correctly or not, otherwise you can't recover or restore your wallet. Please keep in your mind. So I'm going to write here miss word, and typically 12 words, sometimes 24 words separated by the single spaces. We have 12 word phrases, so that we have enter here. Now going to enter the strong password like your bank account. I'm going to enter my strong password, and we will use the password to encrypt your data. You will need this password to unlock your wallet. You can see here I have entered my strong password, and all option is green, means 8 or more characters, at least one uppercase character, at least one digits, and at least one symbol. So please enter your strong password if you save your account from scammer or hacker. Okay, I am going to again enter my confirm password, and enter. I have click on read an agreement. This is necessary for you. If you want to use this wallet, you must read the terms and conditions. After that you can use it. So now going to click on import button, and also keep in your mind, don't use this seed phrases for your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. So if you will use this, so maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind. So going to click on import. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully recovered our wallet with over 12 phrases. This is so simple and easy. Sometimes your window corrupted, or you want to recover your wallets. If you have your 12 phrases, then you can use same scenario which is I told you in this video. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowallets.info@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So if you get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and must watch my incoming video for get more information about cryptocurrency wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.